What is happening? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone out there is doing good. You feel me? Alright, so I am finally going to get over myself here and take this transmission off, the clutch, the flywheel, take all that back off again, and then pop this guy onto the engine stand again. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right ahead with one of these. I went ahead and bought a new gasket anyways, and it's a good thing I did because this one ripped. The Honda bond was just too strong on this side over here. I am kind of concerned with the amount of oil along the I am concerned with the amount of oil that was around the outer edges of the oil pan gasket. Just from like what the I mean, it's dry in some spots and then other spots it's just like totally bad, and it makes me feel like the oil pan gasket was gonna fail anyways. As far as removing these studs go, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that quite yet. Probably gonna end the video here. I don't know if I did this in a smart way or not the last time I did the oil pan gasket, because there's a ton of oil all along here, and I wonder if that's like because I have all this gasket here. You would think having the gasket there, the gasket sealant or whatever, the Honda bond, would be like it would prevent the oil from even getting over here. I don't know if it's just there because I took it off and it just seeped out or what. But I mean, taking off the oil pan itself was really like actually kind of difficult, so I don't know how to feel about all this. But if I do want to fix that oil pan over there, I do have to weld it and grind it and clean it, and it's going to be a whole thing. But if not, I think I probably will end up just tipping this motor on its side, taking off the oil pan off of here, cleaning that up, and then just throwing this one back on there as is, just to kind of store it. Because if I do turbo the car, it's not going to be for a while, especially considering the smog laws out here. Stay tuned for a video on an update on that, by the way. But yeah, this is going to end the video here. Just kind of wanted to keep the flow of traffic on the channel going, keep the updates coming. I'm glad that I got this much work done tonight, even if it took a little longer than I wanted it to, but some progress is better than no progress. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video and work on this tomorrow hopefully. So peace out. Yeah.